Introducing the DeathGrip from BOG, the most reliable shooting platform on the market. Unparalleled durability, stability, and versatility in the field starts with the DeathGrip's foundation, its leg system. Whether in the meadows or the highest mountain peaks, the DeathGrip leg system was built to make your opportunities count. Retractable steel feet secure the DeathGrip's legs on any terrain, while non-slip lever locks provide instant leg extension or retraction to fit any shooting scenario. The DeathGrip's unique 3-position leg angle locks allow for split-second leg angle adjustments and make shooting possible standing, kneeling, or even at a complete prone position. With leg options available in both aluminum and carbon fiber, the DeathGrip was built to meet demands and budgets of every hunter. The aluminum option was engineered to be the most stable shooting platform at its price point and offer unmatched durability from year to year, featuring the same quality and durability. The carbon fiber option reduces overall weight without sacrificing stability. The DeathGrip's patented shooting yoke further separates it from the competition. A patented USR-inspired clamping lock provides a stable shooting experience unlike any other. Non-marring rubber jaw inserts protect and grip your firearm, while a quick-adjust clamping lever secures your firearm in seconds, freeing your hands throughout the hunt, while keeping your firearm at the ready. And when that moment of truth does arrive, the DeathGrip delivers. Tension adjustments for both tilt and pan provide for ultra-smooth 360 degrees of rotation and up to 25 degrees of cant forward and back to ensure quick target acquisition and follow, so you never miss your window of opportunity. The DeathGrip was literally built from the ground up to be the ultimate rest for the moments you dream about. For the unknown, unmatched quality, stability, and versatility, the DeathGrip from BOG.